Last week we worked on 11 rules that we use to follow when using commas. So today you're going to do a little drawing activity, thinking about the meanings of the sentences and the comma placement. To start, we're going to go through our process of crossing out any prepositional phrases or highlighting them, labeling the subject, verb, and complements, and then think about what the sentence means and how the meaning changes when you put the comma in there. And then, of course, you have to label the rule or the reason for the comma using a proof, and you may use your comma rules notes for this. And then I want you to draw a picture that illustrates the meaning of the sentence. So for my example here, I have the panda. In the first sentence, it's the panda eats, shoots, and leaves with commas. And then here I have the panda eats, shoots, and leaves without the comma. So I see no prepositional phrases, so I'm going to think of my subject. It's the same in both of the sentence, panda. So looking at this sentence, what does the panda do? It eats, that's an action verb, and then I see a comma, which tells me is he doing something else? He shoots, comma, and tells me he leaves. The panda eats, shoots, and leaves. So my rule for my commas, my proof is that I've got these commas in here because it's a list. Now looking at this sentence, it's still a panda. The panda does what? It eats. I see no commas here, so now my next question is to ask whom or what. The panda eats what? The panda eats shoots. Got a conjunction here with no comma, so that means he must either do something else or eat something else, and he eats leaves. Now I want to draw a picture. So you'll see that you have room underneath each one to draw an image or a picture with some detail of what does it sound like is happening within that sentence. So if I said the panda eats, shoots, and leaves as a list, it means he's doing 3 actions. I would draw a picture of a panda bear, maybe sitting at a table eating something, and then maybe he gets up and he shoots something, and then it sounds like he's going to leave. He's going to walk away. In this sentence, it sounds like a normal panda, a panda who's eating what? Well, I know that pandas eat bamboo shoots, which are the roots of the bamboo, and the leaves. So in the book, here's the sentence. A panda walks into the library. He eats a sandwich, then draws his bow and shoots 2 arrows. Why did you do that? Asked the librarian as the panda walked toward the exit. The panda shows her a badly punctuated book. I'm a panda, he says. That's what it says we do. The librarian looked at the page. Panda, large black and white bear-like mammal native to China. Eats, shoots, and leaves. Now my only problem here, they didn't use the comma for the series, but we know we would need to. Either way, if this comma wasn't here, the meaning changes. What it's actually doing is eating bamboo shoots and leaves. So that's what my other picture would look like. Okay, so you're going to go back, and in the first sentence it says, after we left Grandma, Mommy and I skipped about in the park. The next one says, after we left, Grandma, Mommy, and I skipped about in the park. So really think about the comma and the placement. So you've got these 2, and then on the back, you've got 3 more examples. This is homework if you don't finish it. And don't turn this paper in. You're going to hang on to it because tomorrow I will show you the pictures that go with each of them, and we'll see how closely they match up with what you drew. Have a good day. Make sure that you complete the form at the end of on my website before you leave today.